Hello viewers. What secrets lie buried beneath the foundations of the Statue of Liberty, whispering tales of intrigue and betrayal to those who dare to listen? Could the enigmatic smile upon the Statue of Liberty's face hold the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe, or is it merely a facade hiding a deeper, more sinister truth? What secrets lie hidden within the hollow confines of the Statue of Liberty's torch? In this video we will know deeply about the Statue of Liberty and explore its myths and folklore. The Statue of Liberty, conceived by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi, was envisioned as a colossal sculpture embodying the spirit of liberty and enlightenment. The statue's framework was designed by French engineer Alexander Gustave Eiffel, renowned for his work on the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel utilized iron bars to construct a sturdy framework to support the statue's copper exterior. The outer shell of the statue is made of copper sheets, hammered into shape and attached to the iron framework. Initially, the copper was a shiny brown color but has since oxidized over time, giving the statue its iconic green hue. The statue depicts Libertas, the Roman goddess of freedom, holding a torch above her head with her right hand, symbolizing enlightenment, and a tablet inscribed with the date of the American Declaration of Independence, July 4, 1776, in her left hand, symbolizing the rule of law. The crown of the statue features 7 spikes, representing the 7 continents and 7 seas. These spikes were meticulously crafted to symbolize the universal concept of liberty and freedom. The pedestal of the Statue of Liberty was designed by American architect Richard Morris Hunt. Made of granite, the pedestal stands on top of Fort Wood, a former military base, providing a stable foundation for the towering statue. The statue was transported from France to the United States in 1885 in 350 individual pieces, packed into more than 200 crates. Once on site, the pieces were assembled like a giant puzzle. The assembly of the statue involved skilled workers meticulously piecing together each component, including the copper sheets, iron framework, and supporting structure. Inside the statue, there is a spiral staircase with 354 steps leading from the pedestal to the crown. This staircase allows visitors to ascend the statue and enjoy panoramic views of New York Harbor. In 1986, the original torch held by the statue was replaced with a new copper torch covered in 24K gold leaf. The restoration process involved careful craftsmanship to ensure the torch's durability and authenticity. Despite being located in an area prone to earthquakes, the Statue of Liberty was engineered to withstand seismic activity and other environmental challenges. The idea for the Statue of Liberty is first conceived by French political thinker Édouard René de La Bouillée as a gift from France to the United States, symbolizing the friendship between the two nations and the shared values of liberty and democracy. French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi begins designing the statue, drawing inspiration from classical art and the concept of liberty personified. Bartholdi visits the United States to promote the idea of the statue and seek support for its construction. Bartholdi completes the design for the statue, including plans for the copper exterior and iron framework. Construction of the statue begins in France, with work commencing on the copper sheets and iron framework. The completed head and torch of the statue are exhibited at the World's Fair in Paris to generate public interest and support. The statue is disassembled and shipped to the United States in over 200 crates, arriving in New York Harbor aboard the French frigate Isar. The Statue of Liberty is officially dedicated on October 28 in a ceremony attended by President Grover Cleveland and thousands of spectators. The dedication marks the culmination of years of planning and fundraising efforts. The nearby Ellis Island immigration station opens, and the Statue of Liberty becomes a symbol of hope and freedom for millions of immigrants arriving in the United States. The Statue of Liberty is designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognizing its cultural and historical significance on a global scale. In the aftermath of the September 11 terrorist attacks, the statue is temporarily closed to the public as a security precaution. It reopens later that year with enhanced security measures in place. The Statue of Liberty Museum opens on Liberty Island, providing visitors with exhibits and educational programs on the history, construction, and symbolism of the statue. The Statue of Liberty continues to attract millions of visitors from around the world each year, serving as a powerful symbol of freedom, democracy, and the American dream. Its legacy endures as a testament to the enduring bonds between nations and the universal ideals of liberty and equality. The Statue of Liberty stands at an impressive height of 305 feet, that is, 93 meters, from the base to the tip of the torch. The pedestal upon which the statue stands measures approximately 154 feet, that is, 47 meters, tall, contributing to the overall height of the monument. Excluding the pedestal, the height of the statue from heel to the top of the head is approximately 151 feet, that is, 46 meters. The height from the base of the pedestal to the tip of the crown is about 305 feet, that is, 93 meters. The statue's exterior is made of copper sheets, which are 3/32 of an inch, about 2.4 millimeters, thick. These sheets cover the statue's iron framework. The Statue of Liberty weighs approximately 225 tons, that is, 204 metric tons, with the copper alone accounting for about 62,000 pounds, that is, 28,000 kilograms. The torch held by the statue extends about 305 feet, that is, 93 meters, above the ground, symbolizing enlightenment and guiding the way to freedom. The diameter of the statue's crown, which features 7 spikes representing the 7 continents and 7 seas, is approximately 17 feet, that is, 5.2 meters. The tablet held by the statue's left hand measures about 23 feet 7 inches, that is, 7.2 meters, tall, and 13 feet 7 inches, that is, 4.1 meters, wide. The hand of the statue, which holds the torch, measures about 16 feet 5 inches, that is, 5 meters, long. The index finger alone is about 8 feet, that is, 2.4 meters, long. The face of the statue is about 10 feet, that is, 3 meters, tall, while the nose measures approximately 4 feet 6 inches, that is, 1.4 meters, in length. Each eye of the statue is roughly 2 feet 6 inches, that is, 0.76 meters, wide, adding to the striking facial features of Lady Liberty. The hair of the statue cascades in thick, wavy locks and measures approximately 9 feet, that is, 2.7 meters, in length. The sandal worn by the statue's right foot is about 25 feet, that is, 7.6 meters, long, emphasizing the monumental scale of the sculpture. Inside the pedestal, there is a spiral staircase with 354 steps leading from the base to the crown, allowing visitors to ascend and enjoy panoramic views. The Statue of Liberty is located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, offering a commanding presence against the Manhattan skyline. The Statue of Liberty isn't directly associated with military strategy, as it primarily serves as a symbol of freedom and democracy. However, during times of conflict or war, its strategic location and symbolism have been considered. Here are some points related to how the Statue of Liberty could be viewed in a military context. The Statue of Liberty is located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, making it a prominent landmark with a strategic view of the surrounding area. Historically, the statue has served as a navigational aid for ships entering New York Harbor, guiding them safely through the waterways. During times of war, the Statue of Liberty could be considered a symbolic target for enemy forces due to its cultural significance as a representation of freedom and democracy. In wartime propaganda, images of the Statue of Liberty could be used to rally support for military efforts and boost morale among troops and civilians. The observation decks within the pedestal of the statue could potentially be used for intelligence gathering purposes, providing a strategic vantage point for surveillance of the surrounding area. During times of conflict, the facilities on Liberty Island could be utilized for logistical support operations, such as staging areas for military personnel or supply depots. The iconic status of the Statue of Liberty could provide cover for covert operations conducted in the vicinity, allowing military forces to operate discreetly under the guise of tourist activity. The Statue of Liberty could serve as a focal point for emergency response efforts during times of crisis, providing a central location for coordinating relief operations and evacuations. While not a traditional military asset, the Statue of Liberty represents a strategic reserve of national identity and values, embodying the principles upon which the United States was founded and serving as a reminder of the nation's commitment to liberty and justice for all. Certainly, while the Statue of Liberty itself doesn't have many folklore or myths surrounding it, there are several interesting stories and misconceptions associated with the iconic monument. Like a myth suggests that the Statue of Liberty was intended to be installed in Egypt, not the United States. However, this is false. The statue was always intended as a gift to the United States from France. There's a common myth that the face of the Statue of Liberty was modeled after Bartholdi's mother. In reality, it's believed that Bartholdi used his own facial features as inspiration for the statue's face. Some myths claim that the Statue of Liberty was originally intended to be gold, but turned green due to weathering. However, it was always intended to be made of copper, which naturally weathers to a green patina over time. Many people believe that visitors can climb up to the torch of the statue, but it has been closed to the public since 1916 due to safety concerns. Some myths suggest that there are hidden messages or symbols within the statue's design, but there is no evidence to support this claim. The statue's symbolism is well documented and widely understood. It's often believed that the 7 spikes on the crown of the statue represent the 7 seas, but they actually represent the 7 continents. There are rumors of secret chambers or tunnels beneath the statue, but these are likely just part of the pedestal's infrastructure and maintenance systems. Some myths suggest that there are hidden treasures or artifacts hidden within the statue, but there is no evidence to support these claims. There are rumors that the Statue of Liberty is cursed or brings bad luck to those who visit it, but these are likely just superstitions. Some believe that the statue serves as a guardian or protector of immigrants, guiding them safely to the shores of America. While the statue does symbolize freedom and opportunity, it does not have supernatural powers. The Statue of Liberty is a symbol of immense pride for New Yorkers, representing the city's history, values, and resilience. New York City, with its diverse immigrant population, has a strong connection to the Statue of Liberty as a symbol of hope and opportunity for those seeking a better life in America. Ellis Island, located near the Statue of Liberty, was the primary entry point for millions of immigrants to the United States. The statue served as a welcoming sight for these newcomers, symbolizing their arrival in the land of freedom and opportunity. The Statue of Liberty is one of New York City's most iconic tourist attractions, drawing millions of visitors from around the world each year. It serves as a focal point for tourism in the city, contributing to the local economy and cultural landscape. The Statue of Liberty has inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians, who have incorporated its imagery into their work as a symbol of freedom, democracy, and the American dream. Local boat tours and harbor cruises offer visitors the opportunity to get up close to the Statue of Liberty, providing unique perspectives and photo opportunities of this iconic landmark. New York City hosts various cultural festivals and events throughout the year, many of which celebrate the city's immigrant heritage and diversity, with the Statue of Liberty as a prominent symbol of these festivities. The Statue of Liberty Museum, located on Liberty Island, offers educational programs and exhibits on the history, construction, and symbolism of the statue, enriching the local cultural landscape with opportunities for learning and discovery. The Statue of Liberty and its surrounding park provide a picturesque backdrop for weddings and special events, reflecting the local tradition of celebrating life's milestones against the backdrop of this iconic landmark. The local community surrounding the Statue of Liberty actively engages with the monument through volunteer efforts, fundraising campaigns, and cultural initiatives, fostering a sense of ownership and pride in this iconic symbol. The Statue of Liberty serves as a venue for public events and ceremonies, ranging from naturalization ceremonies for new citizens to commemorative events honoring historical milestones and anniversaries. New York City's diverse population contributes to the vibrant cultural tapestry surrounding the Statue of Liberty, with residents from all walks of life embracing the monument as a symbol of unity and shared heritage. Local restaurants and cafes along the waterfront offer stunning views of the Statue of Liberty, providing diners with an unforgettable dining experience infused with local flavor and charm. The Statue of Liberty is an enduring symbol of New York City's skyline, featured prominently in photographs, postcards, and souvenirs, serving as a cultural touchstone for locals and visitors alike. The Statue of Liberty stands as a testament to the resilience and spirit of the local community, serving as a beacon of hope and inspiration for generations of New Yorkers and visitors from around the world.